Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. No idea what's in here, but we're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you're enjoying the daily knife content on this channel and you'd like to help support me, there is, of course, a link for my Patreon right down in the description. You can get your hands on some cool stickers and other benefits. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, let's go ahead and find out what's in here. This package was sent by Luke. So thanks, Luke. I'm thinking there's probably some more. Maybe there's some more detail in here. What do we have here? Oh, I think I know exactly what this is. That's a heavy Guardian tactical box. I think this might be the only OTF in their line that I have not reviewed. We'll take a look at that note here in just a sec. Yeah, this is the big boy. Let me go ahead and turn the exposure up just a little bit. Should we get it to... There we go, right there. This is the big one. Oh, wow, the power on that. This is the big GTX... I'm sorry. Guardian Tactical Recon 40? Is that what it is? Oh, he says no shout out necessary. Just keep making content. Yeah, I think this is the Recon 40. I've reviewed the little GTX one, and I actually owned the Recon 35, which is the medium-sized one. This guy is more combat Troodon size, but boy, the I think in this case, this switch up here, for anybody who doesn't know, and yeah, I'll link Guardian Tactical knives down below so you guys can check them out. If you guys don't know, these are made in the United States, right? That's great. They are pretty expensive, but the cool thing about these is that there's a steel plate underneath the switch, and underneath, in between the plate and the switch, is actually bearings. So it's really smooth. This obviously has a little bit more power in the spring, but it's so easy to actuate with the switch. It's interesting translating because, you know, with my experience with OTFs, you can kind of feel how powerful the spring is, right? But that's thrown off with these Guardian Tactical knives because it's so smooth. So by the time you hit that event horizon where it's going to throw the blade, you're not expecting it to throw so hard. Wow. This is cool. I probably would have... If I knew that it felt like this, I probably would have picked up this guy over the medium-sized one. The medium-sized one's great. That makes more sense for EDC. This guy's huge. Real quick, I'll put it up against my Combat Troodon so you guys can see what we're looking at for size. Here's the Microtech Combat Troodon. Yeah, that's a big knife. In fact, ooh, man, I mean, the glass breaker is just a little ball bearing down here, right? So this guy's actually substantially, I mean, I wouldn't say substantially. It's bigger than the, man, this thing is a monster. Holy cow. Man, that actuation. Ooh, that's cool. Boy, I really like this. I really like this so far. Man, very cool. I have no idea if these are in stock right now. I'll link them so you guys can go check. I want to say, and the price on these is pretty good. I want to say these are in the mid $300 range. So considering they're using, you know, they're using LMAX, not 204P or M390, which is generally what you see on Microtech. They're using LMAX, which is plenty, still a premium steel, still a powder form steel, right? Absolutely a super steel. And then they're using the same 6061 T6 aluminum. This is really sick. Man, that action is just, that's really cool. Having that much smoothness in the actuation of the switch, right? And then to reach that point and have such a powerful, satisfying throw of the blade. Sounds cool too. Ooh, I love that. Cool. I should have looked at this thing a long time ago. Oh man, I am very excited to get that thing. Just get some more experience with it so I can talk about it for you guys in the form of a full review, because as per usual with these unboxings, they are just unboxings, not full comprehensive reviews. Just getting my first impressions today, and here in a couple of weeks I will do the full review. I'm sure somebody will tell me it was a terrible review anyway. Thank you very much, Luke, for sending this guy in. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's short little unboxing. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.